How to fix Messenger sound not working. Missing important alerts can be frustrating, but don't worry, there are several quick fixes to get your Messenger sounds working again. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Messenger sound problem step by step. Let's dive in. First, make sure your phone's volume is turned off. Check that your phone isn't on silent vibrate or do not disturb mode. Adjust the ringer and media volume to ensure sounds can be heard. Next, go to your phone settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of notifications, head towards the option of Messenger, open it. Now enable for the option of allow notifications, likewise toggle on for the option of sounds. After you customize this, open your Messenger app. Now at the top left you'll find 3 bars, click on it. Click on the settings icon, navigate to the option of notifications and sounds, open it. Make sure you have disabled for the option of do not disturb, likewise you can enable for other options. Now you can check whether your app is up to date or not. For that, close this and launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Messenger. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Sometimes Messenger sounds may be routed to your Bluetooth device or headphones. Check if Bluetooth is enabled and disconnect any connected device to ensure sounds play through your phone speaker. If none of the previous steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Messenger. And give a fresh restart to your device. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. And that's how you can fix Messenger sound not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.